Property managers in particular don't like change. They're really fixed on their ways, and if they've got something that they don't think is broken, they're not going to change from where they're at. But once they've tried the system, and we had to stay strong on using it, once we got there, they understood why we needed to change, and they've embraced it 110%. Yeah. They actually show me new stuff now. The actual PDF from start to finish of the whole job, we can just get that out any time and say, well, this is what happened, which protects us to a big point, where if someone comes back and tries to tell us that we didn't do the job properly or that we missed a step in the repair, we can actually say, well, on this date we did this, which then covers us and covers our responsibility. And yeah, it's not likely that anyone's going to come back to us and say, mate, it's your fault, that's wrong, and you're going to have to pay for it. It just doesn't happen. And even to the point of with our public liability insurance and things like that, they're 100% behind us using Maintenance Manager, to the point where they waive the excess on any claims, which we haven't had. Using Maintenance Manager, we can print out the PDF or just email the PDF of what we've done straight through to our public liability insurance people, and it's just sorted. So yeah.